More than just a factory, Chenbro's intelligent manufacturing site, integrating technology, sustainability, arts, and culture, is located at the Majoho Industrial Park in Chiayi. Lean, green. These are the core elements of Chenbro's intelligent factory. Chenbro goes lean to achieve low-cost intelligent manufacturing, LCIM. We invest in automation solutions to deploy robot arms, implement AOI, and integrate automated warehouses. Human-machine collaboration benefits lean manufacturing and enhances efficiency and quality. Intelligent manufacturing. The intelligent production line, implemented with MES, enables real-time monitoring and process optimization. Lean production allows the Chiayi factory to quickly satisfy customers and market demand. Based on a green corporate philosophy, we've built an eco-friendly, low-carbon factory. Sustainable building design reduces energy consumption and carbon emissions. Solar panels have been installed on the rooftop for clean, renewable energy generation. The design of Chenbro Chiayi Factory has been recognized with international awards. Chenbro is already taking the next step in its carbon reduction plan to reach net zero emissions by 2050. The Chiayi Factory marks an ESG milestone by enhancing sustainable growth and contributing to society. We aim to increase productivity while reducing environmental impact. Chiayi Factory is redefining manufacturing. Get lean, go green, committed to sustainability.